For more profitable signals, drop a comment and like the video. Directing our gaze towards our selected currency pairs and cryptocurrencies, we analyze and forecast their potential movements in the coming week.
Are you a trader? Aren't you profitable yet? Would you be interested in trading by an AI-empowered bot? Please leave your comments and likes below this video, and feel free to reach out to us to commence your journey towards profitable trading.
Thank you for your kind attention. Porsche Forex Academy is dedicated to providing weekly Forex and crypto analysis and forecast. Stay informed with our daily Forex and crypto signals. Support us by liking, commenting, and subscribing to receive our profitable signals and analysis.